Hi! I'm here with my son Luis. He's only 14 years old and he's been doing FGS since October. So sa mga hindi nakakita na shinare ko na reel before, siya yung anak ko na may psoriasis since he was 6 years old. And ayun nga, with the help of FGS, ayan, gusto ko lang bigyan kayo ng update, status ng kamay niya. And actually yung feet niya is okay naman na. So anak, can you show them your hands? So, ayan. As you can see, nakakatuwa kasi kanina ko lang din chinek kung ano itsura ng kanyang kamay. So, wala na yung mga cracks, wala na yung pamumula, and ayan, wala na siyang sugat actually, which is nakakatuwa. Anak, can you share when was the last time that we put the steroid cream?
Like, somewhere around October.
Yeah. So, like October 18 to 20, ganyan. Yun yung last na application namin. Since then, hindi na ulit kami naglagay ng any steroids cream, hindi na siya nag-take ng any oral meds also. So, can you share lang what are the changes or the benefits while doing the FGS?
I noticed that it made my hands better, obviously, like no inflammation and helps with my gut. And I also noticed that it keeps me energetic through the day.
Yeah, so actually he can do fasting. I think what's the longest fast that you did?
Almost 23 hours or 24.
Yeah, yun yung longest niya. Pero ang usual fast niya is like 14 to 18 hours. Yan. Pag weekend, do you fast during weekend?
Barely.
So, yeah, so weekend, di siya nakakapag-fast. But I still ask him to take the fiber. Even without fasting naman, he can drink the tea. So, I think the tea really helps a lot with the inflammation dun sa kamay niya. And ayun lang, yun lang naman yung gusto kong i-share for today. So, as you can see, even though he's not really restricting his meals, yan. So, minsan, di rin siya consistent sa pagpa-fasting, but still, he consistently drinks the tea and the fiber. So, ayan na yung result. Sorry, naantok na siya talaga. Pinilit ko lang siya na intervene kasi natuwa talaga ako. Kasi hindi naman everyday na-check ko yung kamay niya. Sa mom, seeing this improvement is everything. One day at a time, one small win at a time. And we're very grateful. That's why I'm sharing this in case it gives hope to another family. But if you're dealing with something similar and want to know what helped us, feel free to message me.